Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the world of hair removal creams, your new best friend for smooth, hair-free skin without the hassle of razors or waxing. Stick around to discover why these creams might just be the game changer you've been looking for. First up, the armpits. Hair removal creams here offer smoothness that shaving can't beat. And the results, they last longer too, plus no more nicks or cuts, so say goodbye to irritation. Next, let's talk about the groin area. These creams are super easy to apply, even in those tricky spots. They reduce the risk of ingrown hairs and razor burn, making everything more comfortable and hygienic. For the upper lip, depilatory creams are a painless alternative to waxing or threading. Quick application and a smooth, soft finish make them a winner for facial hair removal. Moving on to the chest, especially for the guys out there. Hair removal creams ensure even results without that annoying razor burn. Plus, many creams hydrate your skin while they work. And for arms and legs? Time-saving and effective, these creams cover large areas fast and leave your skin smoother than shaving. No cuts or scratches, just silky smoothness. Let's not forget the general perks of hair removal creams. They're painless, easy to use, and you don't need any special equipment. Perfect for all skin types, affordable, and most have moisturizing benefits too. Convenience at its finest. A word of caution, always do a patch test before using a new cream and follow the instructions to avoid irritation. And make sure to choose the right cream for the body area you're targeting. So there you have it. Hair removal creams offer a fast, painless, and cost-effective way to achieve smooth, hair-free skin. Ready to ditch those razors? Give hair removal creams a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips.